Is there a constant struggle between the IT BPO segment versus the pure play here? Because if
I just answered that question to NDTV. See, as an industry, we have 4% of the market.
pure plays? No.
4% of the global market.
Okay, India as well.
Right? We did $13 billion, that's 4% of the global market. मतलब स्ट्रगल तो तब हो अगर कॉम्पिटिटिव सिनारियो हो, इतना कम धंधा हो that you have to fight with each other. Convergys is a large BPO only company. IBM, Accenture are large BPO and IT company. Both coexist. Why do we have to choose between one and the other? Because there will be assignments in which they want IT and BPO, for which that company will give. There will be assignments in which IT work is with somebody else and they want some non-conflicting partner only for BPO. You can't say I want to be everything to everybody. So I see no struggle. They are different market segments and they are all huge, and there is an ability for everybody to coexist.
What do you think will be the role of system integrators in coming future?
Say that again?
What will be the role of system integrators?
That's a huge need. If you take disparate system, integrators will play a big role. No question about it. But does that impact the IT or BPO or it being together? Just like that, the coffee provider will also play a big role. So will the lunch provider. Are we looking for our lunch provider to be from the same company that supplies us our computers? Why do we want the BPO provider to be the same as the company that provides us IT? Or the car company that gives us vehicles? I think we have a complex in India. We only have IT and BPO. So we keep saying it has to be a choice between one or the other. I don't think the world market is looking at it like that. And our play is in a global market, not with each other.
What do you think will help India increase its market share in the international scenario?
Oh, if we educate our workforce and bring in the competencies of what the marketplace requires, that is what the future is.
Everyone around over here will always say and is always of the opinion that India has the most skilled market force. So what beyond a skilled market?
How many nuclear scientists do we have working in BPO? Just remind me.
Do we need?
And how many? But there is a multi-billion-dollar market of that. Do we need? You may not need. But people who want to make money, if they get those scientists, they can make money. See, you have to remove the blinkers by which you are looking at the world. How many nanotechnology things are we doing in BPO? How many clean environment things are we doing in BPO? How large is that market? Wake up. The market is huge. And that is where it is only at 4%. And that is why we keep saying, oh, forget, do we need nuclear scientists? Do we need this? Do we need that? But IT and BPO, should we combine it? Wake up, guys. That is not what the world is.